In today's changing world, speed, trust, and capability are everything when it comes to engineering and manufacturing for domestic production, or if reshoring a product to the United States. At Custom Manufacturing and Engineering Incorporated, we help companies bring production home, faster and smarter. When General Electric needed to reshore a pressure sensor line from Mexico, they turned to CME. We validated and launched that line in just 2 weeks. As an AS 9100 certified U.S. manufacturer, CME eliminates costly delays in product development, calibration, and testing barriers that often derail reshoring efforts. Our experienced team of electrical and electromechanical engineers work alongside manufacturing pros to reduce cost, modernize legacy designs, and recover at-risk product lines in the aerospace and defense, automotive, energy, and industrial production. For Fortune 500 and government customers alike, we specialize in power distribution equipment, box builds, circuit card assemblies, control panels, and complex cable harnesses. Our advanced SMT line, featuring the Europlacer Ineo Plus 2, a BTU Pyramax reflow oven, inline X-ray and test capabilities, delivers scalable, production-ready results with quality you can trust. Award-winning, patent-holding, and research and development SBIR Phase 3 manufacturer, CME designs and produces prototypes to full-scale production of thousands. CME's mission is helping our customers meet their customers' needs. CME has developed its own commercial products including site lights, LED work lights, which can be found at www.sitelightspro.com, and Solar for STEM, an interactive STEM learning line of products for science education, which can be found at www.solarforstem.com. We're ready to build what's next here at home.